What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Racer here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. We are on the Mississippi River.
What's up, guys?
Got Wells with me again today. We're gonna catch some donkeys. Some true schlaunches.
True schlaunches. Schlaunch hunting again.
We're gonna try anyways. So we're gonna hit up some backwaters, do some flipping, some frogging.
A little swim jigging.
Little swim jogging.
We're gonna fish the mayfly hatch today, so fish the moment.
Mayflies are hatching, they're swarming over trees. Putting the boat in, I had them all over my jacket.
Who's your mean man?
So the river's at like, what, 15 feet right now? 13.
Probably, yeah, 13 or 15. Pretty high.
13, 14 feet, somewhere in there. There's water where there's not supposed to be water, and it's supposed to come down like 3 feet. So we're gonna go try to find some. We're just going fishing. Stay tuned, folks. Schlaunch hunting starts.
Schlaunch hunting starts. Schlaunch hunting starts now.
Nope. One more flip to it. Bluegill?
Yep. Got the ride of his life.
What were you thinking?
Poor guy.
I'm just gonna taste it. Oh!
Instant headache. I'll pitch a spinning rod with a nail weight a lot.
Yeah.
I like the good current coming through.
You almost hit that bird.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Giant
Big old donkey.
donkey. What size that one? Hog nosed him too. What do they do? Just jump into pockets all the time, don't they?
Yep. Pocket bass.
No, he's too big.
Yeah. Because you're with me. This Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors Pippin Crestliner attracts a little bass.
I'm sorry, man.
No, you're fine. I'm just trying not to get in your way. There we go. Another hog. Now that's a pocket bass there.
Oh yeah, that's a hog fish. Might disappear.
That's why we come up here to pool 8. Just when I turn it off.
Fish. Right, just a little bit of grass.
There we go.
Better fish for pool 8. 2-pounder. No crawtubes. That's 3 fish right there.
Yep. And we're not on a hard bank like we were earlier.
No, that's just it. Okay, keep this pattern a little bit. That could be a 2 or this morning to me to flip that grass.
Oh, true, yeah. We never really tried that, did we?
Oh, it's taking forever.
Right. What's up with 13 fishings? Can taking over the world with baits.
Yeah, aren't they? See that?
What the hell? Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Might be. We can get them out of the... Oh, not too bad. Pound and a half. Cross them. That was cross them. Jeez. I don't know if I got that on film, but I hope I did.
Pretty funny. That sucker did like a 360,000 in the air. Oh, another pool 8 giant.
Yep. We're just killing them here below the rollers.
Spending small, huh?
Oh, you're good.
Double action.
See which one he wants.
Yep.
Blue or purple?
That bank could be a frog history on the right side. That shade still.
Could use the water right about now.
Hear all this water makes me thirsty.
Do you ever watch Seinfeld?
Oh yeah.
These pretzels are making me thirsty. I'm gonna flip something else. I'll flip something that I don't. Ooh.
Here we go. Pocket bass.
Another pocket bass.
Suspended. There he was.
Fuck. Running with my crossum.
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
Oh, it's a little bigger one than rolling.
Yeah.
What?
Pool 8 schlaunch donkeys. Right next to the tree in the shade. Yep.
You look a lot bigger, didn't you?
Yeah, he did. I thought it was about a 2.5 to 3.
Yeah, me too. You rolled real nice. Like, nah, fooled ya.
He forgot to check Instagram. One, but it was off.
Not bad.
Pound and a half.
Pound and a half, huh? Frog fish. Pool 8.
Pool 8.
You hammered it. Why? I thought it was a lot bigger than that. Now, there's more than one of you, and that's the question. Okay.
Nice.
Ooh. Burn that sucker too.
Up in here, huh? No! Don't want to lose this. See if I can get it out over here. Yeah? Got it. Got her. Remember to keep my camera rolling. Keep her, but
to be in this corner. He missed it twice, so I finally got him.
really. He tasted the hook, I think.
I think he loaded up okay.
Yeah, he did actually. He felt better.
He did. He was a little bigger than 11 inches.
Yeah.
Might have been 13.
This actually don't look bad with some rock going through here. And there he is again. Oop, still almost got you. They're just pecking at it. Look at him.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
I think he might have teeth.
Might.
You prick. Oh. Found the culprit.
Oh, no. Guess what, buddy?
Should eat that.
You did right, I do that. That was a horrible idea.
It was. I was gonna say you asked for that, man.
I did. Horrible idea.
Pulverized it.
Yep, that was bad. That was a meat man move.
Who's your meat man?
Yeah. Who's your meat man?
Who's your meat man? Well, folks, that's a wrap. I'm starting to think that the Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, Jesus Christ. I'm starting to think that the Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors pimping crestliner is cursed. It's a dink magnet. So we never really caught any donkeys today. Wells did lose 2 big ones at the boat, but other than that, just some dinks. We caught, what, probably 9.5, 10 pounds?
Yeah, probably about 10 pounds.
About 10 pounds, which probably isn't too bad for how tough the bite is out here right now.
It's low, too much water.
Tried a few Maiden River things. There's some smallmouth around, but they're pretty small. The temperature dropped. It was like 65 degrees, 67 degrees this morning.
Yeah.
It was actually kind of cold.
Yeah, it was chilly, so.
The initial run down was pretty chilly.
There was a good mayfly hatch, you're right about that, and they were around it, just not the big ones.
Who's your meat man?
Meat man, you better be watching this. This is your video.
If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. Hit the bell to get notified every time I put out a new video. Destroy that thumbs up button. Luke Reister signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.